How to cut out the middleman and go straight to the source. How do the trees get their nutrients so they can be healthy, so they can produce fruits so you can eat the fruits? How do the crops pop out from the soil so you can consume the crops? By the sun. The sun gives them the nutrients. The soil gives these crops and the trees the nutrients. The water gives these crops and the plants the nutrients. The air gives the plants and the crops and the trees the nutrients so they can grow the crops for you so you can consume them. The invisible forces grows these crops and gives nutrients to the trees so they can produce your fruits so you can consume them. But how can you go to the middleman? I mean, how can you go straight to the source so you can cut out the middleman? By absorbing the sun, looking at the sun. By taking off your rubber shoes off and your cotton socks off and putting your feet on the soil. By breathing in the air in nature. Touching and being around all these plants. By diving inside the beach, going in the rivers and the lakes, absorbing that water, breathing in all that fresh air, and absorbing all those invisible forces in nature. By closing your eyes and meditating and being in that darkness. In all these things that I just said, this is how you go straight to the source and you cut out the middleman. In all this that I said, in all these ways of how to go to the source, you get all your nutrients. You get all your nutrients that that apple has in the tree, that pineapple has. How? Because you're going straight to the source. Why not go straight to the source yourself than to the middleman, which is eating food? That is the middleman.